Everyone can have GBT. GBT stands for Guided Biofilm Therapy. Biofilm, most people know it as plaque. It's a really complex community of organisms that are living on your teeth and in your oral cavity that cause all sorts of problems, from cavities to gingivitis to periodontal disease. GBT is a game changer, especially in dental hygiene. Typically, we would have to do a lot of scraping or ultrasonic scaling, which nobody loves. The idea of using GBT with something called airflow is that we can minimize the harsher ways that we used to clean teeth. It shows us where the biofilm is. We're being effective in where we're cleaning rather than just going all over in hopes that we actually clean your teeth properly. The airflow system that we're using cleans with an erythritol powder. It's a lot kinder to the surface of the enamel. It is safe for everybody, children or adults, everyone! I'm Megan and welcome to the Dental Studio.